Here's an old letter plate that needs replacing. Use the compatibility checker to ensure you purchase the correct size. Now that you have your new letter plate, you can remove your current one. The screw hole should be on the internal side of the letter plate. For security and effectiveness, this needs to be facing the correct way. Taking the internal side of the letter plate first, partially screw it into place to make sure it's aligned properly. Once this is done, insert the external side. When your letter plate is perfectly aligned, you can tighten the screws. Now you have your new XFORT letter plate. All you need is mail.